Alright guys, just wanted to show you a quick car that we have in the shop. It's a 2020 AMG C63s. It's a coupe. As you can see, V8 bi-turbo. It's the M177 4-liter V8 twin turbo. It's got the hot V design, so the turbos sit in the middle of the engine. This thing is sick. 2020, only has 2,000 miles on it, and buddy already put some downpipes on it. MBH Downpipes. This thing is sick. Really like it. Love the color combo. It's a black on black. Got the black rims with the brushed lips. Not sure what material that is, but this thing is a beast. Sounds awesome. Just thought I'd do a quick walk around, and definitely wasn't a cold start, but you know, wanted to show you guys how it sounded. This thing is awesome. Black leather with the suede and Alcantara inserts. Thing is awesome. Let's do just a quick start here. So yeah, really sick. Thought I'd show you guys that. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.